Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a router. This one here is the NX18 Plus. It is Wi-Fi 6, so it'll do 1800 Mbps. That's like more than a gigabit. So I only have gigabit internet here, so it should be able to handle what I have and then some. I guess it'll give me some fast speed in between the stuff. So this is what it looks like here. It looks like a little beast here. Look at all these antennas, and they're kind of adjustable-ish, so you can kind of aim a couple up or down or whatever. It's got the little stand right there. It's got a hub built into it here, so it'll take the WAN input there, has your 3 outputs there, and a power plug there, reset button there. I guess it's got an app that you can scan the QR code with. Also here in the box, we have Ethernet cable, as well as the power adapter, and that's everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up here and show you guys what it looks like. So I have a plug over here. Okay, there's our outlet. Go now, it should be plugged in. Oh, button up there too. Okay, oh, there it's lit up a little bit on the front. I don't know if you can see it. But let me go ahead on my iPad here and scan that little QR code and see what happens. Okay, so now it's opening up. Oh, I'm not on the network. I'm not on any network right now, so this is going to be really difficult. Let's see if I turn this off and on again. Maybe now I'll get on my regular network. Well, let me go ahead and connect it up. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back in business now. I was able to plug in a wire into the back of it. You see there, I have a wire in the back, and it's connected up to my other router. So now we're kind of nested in the router business, but I'm connected on the Wi-Fi to it. And then if I go to 192.168.124.1, it brings up my stuff and I can see my network. So right now I have this network here. It says it's all successful. My wireless here, I have my wireless network set up. My clients, I'm just gonna have one because it's this iPad right now. And then I can set up more things. I can set up all sorts of different network access traffic applications and things like that. I think I can set up VPNs and everything else I need. So pretty cool. And then speed seems really good on this one here. My hub I'm on is a very, very slow hub, but I could go to something. I could go to speedtest.net. I'm probably it's going to be a pretty slow speed just because I'm on a little USB hub to make it go, but I'm still going to do decent speed. So there it is, and it says my uptime's 8 minutes. Pretty cool. So I like it. Seems like a good router. It's going to do everything I pretty much need. All the different interface. I have my DHCP clients, and I don't even know half of these things in here, but you can set up a whole smart home network, I guess, everything going. So pretty cool. Thumbs up. Very nice router. So if you need one here, and it looks good, so I like it. Thumbs up.